Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to enable and manage location services in your Google Chrome. So first, go to the Chrome settings, click on the three dots in the top right corner of your Chrome application and select settings. Now on the left hand side, select privacy and security. Scroll down to site settings and under permissions, click on location. Ensure that sites can ask for your location is selected. If it's set to do not allow sites to see your location, you won't be able to use location services. You can also choose to collapse unwanted requests, which is also recommended. And under customized behaviors, review the list of the websites under not allowed to see your location. If a website you want to share your location with is listed here, you can go ahead and click on this bin icon beside it and you'll be done. So the next time you visit that site, it should prompt you to allow location access. Another thing you can do is you can go through the Windows settings. If the location is still not working, click on the Windows Start button, click on Settings and open it. Click on Privacy. Here, select Location from the App Permission section and turn on your location services. Turn on Let App Access Your Location. Scroll down and select Allow Desktop Apps to access your location. Turn it on, and after completing these steps, you should be able to allow and enable location services in your Google Chrome. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.